The internet is a tool that does not only help for communication, but also provides job opportunities that can greatly reduce youth unemployment in Cameroon. But most people misuse social media platforms, observers say. The Internet Society Association is out to inform users on the qualitative contribution that social media offers today in terms of employment and entrepreneurship.
Youths in general use internet just for fun, and sometimes they don't know that their activities on internet have lots of consequences. We have to instruct them on how to use it.
For 2 days, job seekers, students and professionals will be schooled on the effective use of internet in securing jobs.
This participation is going to help me in many aspects. It can be attitude, especially when you want to develop your own career.
It's very important to show to the participant the importance of internet and how they can use internet to get a job.
The overall objective is to combat unemployment through the proper use of social media.